What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
1995 Ford F-150 XLT. Really nice truck. Got factory converter there, dual in, single out. Secondary converter there, single in, single out. Gonna try to talk him into taking that one out and put a high flow in its place. Makes it a little bit louder. And then he wanted it as loud as possible, so we ran 2-inch pipe all the way back and straight out the back into an angle cut 3.5 inch by 18 tit. Right there. There it is. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's a V850 1995 Ford F-150. What's up, bro? It's got a good pop to it now. Your sound decibels? 104, 107. I like it. Go ahead and back it up. Ah, so much better. Let you guys hear on the inside.